A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill details on the Vodafone UK app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Vodafone app. Launch the Vodafone UK app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to billing. Once you're logged in, look for the billing section in the main menu. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. View bill summary. In the billing section, tap on View Bill Summary to see an overview of your current bill, including charges and usage details. Step 4. Check Detailed Breakdown. For a more detailed view, select Detailed Breakdown to see itemized charges, including calls, texts, and data usage. Step 5. Download or share bill. If you need a copy of your bill, look for the option to download or share your bill. This is handy for record keeping or sharing with someone else. Just a quick note, if you're done to see the billing section, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Enjoy managing your account.